What's up guys, welcome back into another video. Today I'm going to show you, and you're wondering how to summon a tornado when you downloaded a tornado mod or a weather mod. So you're going to go to /commands and summon, and you see you can try tornado F0, tornado F0 max 1 2 3 4 or player. And I'm gonna choose tornado F2 and then press enter. There's your tornado. And you can do pretty much with it if you want, and you can go play with it. You can do whatever you want. And I'm getting sucked up. So about it. If you wanna know how to, if you summon the tornado by accident, here's what to do. Do the thing again with there too. Do your mod's name like Witherstorm, and here kill all storms, or you can do. You see, all these storms is gone now, and you need to do this. Clear. See, everything is back to normal. Thank you guys. Well, thank you guys for watching. Don't make sure to subscribe, like, and comment the video and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment and share. Subscribe. Bye. I hope that was helpful to you. Subscribe. Subscribe.